pi, we will print our digit. And let's see what happens. Okay, so we got all these different numbers, and we also have this decimal. So let's have a Bart Simpson program where for the value of each of these digits, we will have another for loop. So for just gibberish variable, we'll call it I, in range int of digit. And we will, so this will error, but let's try this. We will print I will learn the digits of pi is maybe what Bart Simpson is saying this time, because he threw a tantrum and said, I will never